Welcome to the video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can view all the users on your computer. When I say users, I mean the user accounts. Now, go to command prompt and type net user and click enter. These are the user accounts on my system, as you can see. Now, the guest account is a different account. It's not actually a user account like the normal user account that we have. Now we have the WSuite account, which is also another user account I have on my system. Now, if you want to get specific information about the user account, what you're going to do is you're going to specify the person's name. So this WSuite, we're going to try to see what type of user is that and specific information about that user. Click enter on it. When you type WSuite and the name net user, you could see that the username, the full name, the comment, and a whole lot of information about the user account. So for instance, if you were to hack into a company or something and you gain access to their command prompts, you can basically use this command to know what type of users they have on the system. Now, for instance, if you want to know which user account you are logged in inside, you say who am I. Basically, it's going to say name of the user account and the host name of the computer. That is all for this video. Thanks for watching the video. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, share, and also like.